Hello guys, I decided to enter to the beach and to see what happened on with the oceans during Hurricane Yan. Right now it's 4.5 scale. So right now the ocean look at right there. So very high wind, a lot of cloudy and huge wave. Nothing critical, but yes, it's still interesting. I wanna see tornado, but looks like not that time, unfortunately for me. It is first time when I'm on the ocean during hurricane. During the hurricane. So we'll see what happens next. There's a lot of beach, safety guards, smiles, and a lot of fogs on the horizon. Nice. So there are a lot of parts of the palms on the road, a lot of construction signs where the surface connected with maybe ocean, so floating road, something like that. A very small traffic here, so it's interesting practice to be on the ocean during hurricane. So the guys swim. I try to see them. I do not know. Can you see them or no? Oh, here is the guys. First time. So we'll see what happens next. Maybe today in the evening I will go again to the ocean. Right now I go to the stadium to check will it work or not, and because my training according to the plan, so nothing changed.